Hello students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus, would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about properties of quadrilaterals. Today we continue with this properties of parallelograms. What is parallelograms? Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Then the properties of parallelogram says, first property, opposite sides are of equal measure. Means AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Then the second property says opposite angles are of equal measure. Means angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B. And third, the diagonals bisect each other. The the diagonals bisect each other. Suppose AC is a diagonal and BD is another diagonal. The diagonals bisect each other at O. Means AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Then we have to prove. Then the given conditions given A, B, C, D is a parallelogram and AC and BD are two diagonals then we have to prove that opposite sides are of equal measure. ABCD is a parallelogram, then we have to prove that opposite sides are of equal measure. Here, suppose proof. ABCD is a parallelogram, then to prove that first prove that opposite sides are of equal measure. Opposite sides are of equal measure. Suppose here ABCD is a parallelogram, AC is the diagonal. Here ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is the diagonal. Suppose ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is the diagonal. Then consider triangle. Consider triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Here AB is parallel to CD and AC is the transversal. Then angle, this angle is equal to this angle. Suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 since they are alternate pair. And here and another conditions is AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. Then C is the transversal. Then angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 and angle 4. Then angle 3 is equal to angle 4 since they are alternate pair. Then by angle 3 is equal to angle 4 as their alternate pair. Here in the triangle ABC and ADC, this is condition equation 1, this is equation 2. AC is the common line. AC is the common base. Common side. AC is the common side. Then in these two triangles, triangle ABC, then triangle ABC, angle triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Here this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, and this is the common side. Then by angle side angle property, then by angle side angle property, triangle ABC, triangle ABC is congruent with triangle CDA, triangle CDA. Then AB is equal to CD by CP. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD, and BC is equal to AD by CP and measure of angle D is equal to measure of angle B, and D angle is equal to angle B by CP. In this way we have proved that when ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is the diagonal, then we prove that opposite sides have same measure, means AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD, and the opposite angles have same measure, means angle A is, here we have proved that angle B equal to angle D. Then considering the diagonal BD, when we consider the triangle ADB and the triangle ACB, we can prove that the measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle C. In this way we can prove that here opposite sides have same measure and opposite angles have same measure. Okay. Then the conditions 4. Conditions 3. The theorem 3 says, the property 3 says, property 3. Third property says, suppose ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is the transversal and AC is the transversal. AC is the diagonal. Here A given conditions, here given ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is the diagonal. AC and BD are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals. Then we have to prove that. They bisect each other, means side AO is, then to prove that AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO, as we have to prove that they bisect each other, means AO is equal to CO and DO is equal to BO. Here consider the triangle. Then proof. Consider the triangle AOB and triangle COD. Then here AB is equal to CD, since opposite sides of the parallelogram. Opposite sides of the parallelogram. Then here measure of, suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. This is angle 3 and this is angle 4. And as AB parallel to CD and BD is the transversal. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 2 since alternate pair. And measure of angle 3 is equal to and another AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, and AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. Then angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This angle is equal to this angle as their alternate pair. Then here by angle side angle property, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Then by A property, angle side angle property, triangle AOB is congruent with the triangle COD. Then this means AO is equal to CO by CPCT and BO is equal to DO by CPCT. Then here we have proved that the diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Then here we prove that the diagonals bisect each other. Then students, then the diagonal properties of a rectangle. Here the all quadrilaterals is a parallelogram. The quadrilaterals is called a parallelogram if its opposite sides are of equal measure and opposite angles are of equal measure, and the parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. A quadrilateral can said to be a parallelogram if these conditions are satisfied. Opposite sides have same measure, opposite angles have same measure, and the diagonals bisect each other. Here the properties of rectangle. Then here properties of rectangle. Rectangle is also a type of quadrilateral. Or type of parallelogram. All rectangles are called parallelograms, but all parallelograms are not called rectangles. Means rectangle is also a type of parallelogram in which all these four angles are measured 90 degree. Then prove that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. Here we have to prove that the diagonals of the rectangle are of same measure. Here suppose the theorem 1 says, suppose ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle and SC and BD are two diagonals. Then we have to prove that they intersect each other at the point O. Then we have to prove that the measure of AC is equal to measure of BD. Means two diagonals are of same measure. Then AC is equal to BD. Then here given A, B, C, D is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle, and AC and BD are two diagonals. Then to prove that they are of same measure, to prove that AC is equal to BD. Then proof. Consider triangle ABD. Here consider triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Consider triangle ABD and triangle BAC Here these two triangles, in this consider triangle ADB and triangle BCA. Okay. Then here AB is equal to BA, common base. AB is equal to BA, common base. Then ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle BAD as their 90 degree. As the angles of the rectangle, this angle is equal to this angle, as is equal to 90 degree. As we know, in a rectangle all the angles are measured 90 degree. Each equal to 90 degree. Each equal to 90 degree. Then BC is equal to AD, as opposite sides of the BC is equal to AD. Then BC is equal to AD, as opposite sides of the rectangle. As opposite sides of the rectangle. Then by side angle side. Then by side angle side property, SAS property, the triangle ABC is congruent with the triangle BABC is congruent with the triangle BAD, or the ABC triangle is congruent. Otherwise, the triangle ABD is congruent with the triangle BAC. Then AC is equal to BD by CPCT, means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Then AC is equal to BD by CPCT, means corresponding part of congruent triangles. Hence, we prove that the rectangles of the diagonals of a rectangle are of same measure, are of same length. Then we have to prove that the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other, means the AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. Then here consider the triangle ABO and CDO. Consider these two triangles. Here AB is equal to CD as opposite sides of the rectangle. Here this side is equal to this side, and angle C is equal to angle A, as CD is parallel to AB and AC is the transversal. Then this angle is equal to this angle as their alternate pair, and CD is parallel to AB and BD is the transversal. Then this angle is equal to this angle as their alternate pair. Hence, by angle side angle property, triangle ODC is congruent with OAB. As these two triangles are congruent to each other, then DO is equal to BO and AO is equal to CO by CPCT. Hence, we prove that the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other and the diagonals are of same measure. Okay. Then another property. Then here the diagonals of the properties of rectangle. The a quadrilateral is called to be a parallelogram when opposite sides are of equal measure and opposite angles are of equal measure and the diagonals bisect each other. In a rectangle, rectangle is a type of parallelogram in which all four angles are measured 90 degree. Here in the rectangle, the diagonals are of same measure, means two diagonals are of same length and the diagonals also bisect each other. Here we come to the conclusion that all rectangles are parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not rectangles. Then students, today this much. In my next sessions we will discuss about properties of rhombus and properties of square. Thank you students.